comparison of numbers. Look at this big fish. You can see this fish. It is very hungry, so it has its mouth wide open. See, its mouth is open. Here how many fish are there? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 5 fishes are there, and here it is 2 fishes. So the number of fishes are more here. The hungry big fish always eats only the greater number of small fishes. This big fish is there, and here small fishes are there. So always big fish is trying to eat small fishes with a large number. Look at the shape of its mouth. You can see this shape of the mouth. So the shape of the mouth is, say, it is called greater than sign, but look at the shape of its mouth. We use this shape in mathematics as a sign or a symbol. It is a sign or a symbol. You can see this. I have shown you here this sign. So we are reading as greater than sign. And here L, it looks like this L. See. So LESS less we are writing. So L, it looks like L. So it is a less than sign. This is the best trick to learn less than and greater than sign. See this. It looks like L. So you have to remember that this it is called less than sign. Since the big fish is moving towards 5 smaller fishes, this you see. There, since the big fish, this is the big fish moving towards the 5 smaller fishes. So we write 5 is greater than 2. We read it as 5 is greater than 2. As I told you, GRE greater than I have written here, and I have shown you this sign or symbol of this greater than sign. And this is the sign or symbol of less than sign. Since the big fish turns away from 2 smaller fish, so we write 2 is less than 5. We read it as 2 is less than 5. We have already learned to compare 2-digit number in class 1. Again we are repeating, so we will do revision of that. So now let us learn to compare 3 digits number. I am smaller as I have only 2 digits. See, you can see this 99 and here it is 121. So you tell me that 99 is greater or 121. Obviously 121 is more than 99. So 99 is less than, because fish is always eating large number of small fishes with large number. So what is the large number here, 99 or 121? Obviously 121. So 99 is less than 121. So we write it as 99 is less than 121. And remember, the number with more number of digits is always greater. In the same way, here 331 is there and here 440 is there. So 3 here, first we have to check the first digit. Here it is 3 and here it is 4. So which is the big number? Obviously 4. So 331 is less than 440. So remember, the number with greater number of 100 is always greater. I have 2 digits, 200s and 8 tens. Here it is 287 and here it is 253. Here, as I told you, that first we have to check the first digit. Here it is 3 and here it is 4. And because of that only we come to know that 440 is the biggest digit. So we have written here 331 is less than 440. But here you see, here first digit is 2, here also it is 2. So how we will solve this? So we have to check the second number digit. Here second number digit is 8 and here it is 5. So which is the biggest? First number it is 2 same, but second is 8 is greater than 5. So we will write 287 is greater than 253. So here in this you have to remember that if the digit at the 100 place are same, then the number which greater digit at the tens place is greater. As I told you, if I am explaining you this in the simple way, so you can able to learn very easily. Now here 554 is there and here it is 559 is there. So at the place of 100 and tens, 55 is there. Here also at the place of 100 and tens, 55 is there. So here it is at the place of ones, 4 is there, and here at the place of ones, 9 is there. So 4 is less than 9. So we are writing here 554 is less than 559. So remember, if the digit at the 100 and tens place are same, the number with greater digit at that ones place is greater. And this last is here 883 and here also 883. Both digits are same. When the both digits are same, at that time we are using equals to sign. So we write it as 883 is equals to 883, and we read it as 883 is equals to 883. Remember, if the digit at the 100, tens and 1 places are same, the numbers are equal. Here also exercise is given. So first we have to check the first digit. See, here 1 is there, here also 1 is there. Second is both are same, so we have to check for the second one, middle one. Here it is 3 and here it is 1. So 3 is greater than 1, so we have done here sign of greater than. It means 136 is greater than 115. Here 500 is there and here 499 is there. So here it is 5, first digit is 5 and here it is 4, so 5 is greater than 4, so we have done sign of greater than sign here. So follow this instruction as I given you here and solve this exercise. It is very easy.